Okay, meron tayong challenge ngayon. Billy, anong challenge natin?
This is a simple English 101 lesson for my brothers, Teddy, Ryan, and Kaloy. We'll start off with Teddy.
Okay.
With walang coding.
Walang kodigo.
No looking.
Walang kodigo. Alright.
Ready? Go.
Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled pepper. A peck of pickled peppers to Peter Piper pick. Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers. Where's the peck of pickled pepper that Peter Piper pick?
Galing!
Galing.
Galing.
Ryan.
With code.
Ryan,
With
go.
code.
With
No
code.
problem. With
Okay.
code. 1, 2, 3, go.
Peter Piper pick up peck of people paper. A peck of pickle paper. Peter pickle pig. If Peter pickle peck of pickle paper, where is the peck of pickle paper? Peter paper pickled.
Okay, now. And
The
now.
moment of truth!
100.
50?
55.
55.
Pasado. Ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Peter Piper picked a pick Piper a pick Piper picked fish Peter picked a pick up pickling Piper. Where this pick up pickling Piper pickling.
Parang nagja-jump yung CD! Yung CD, parang nagja-jump yung CD!
Jokes and Teddy Show!